Day 5. One of you guys want to do this? No. You gotta light the middle one, and then you gotta use the middle one to light everything else.
Left to right.
Your left or my left?
Do it the way I pointed, all right?
Easy.
Shalom and welcome to Day 5 of Flipna's Hanukkah Special, brought to you by Odin MFG. They're super cool guys. They're the best. Goes right back. Middle. Don't.
I'm trying not to burn myself.
Well, you know, clearly not a Jew.
Yeah.
Brought to you by Odin MFG. Make sure you go to their Instagram page, give them a like, tell them I sent you. And today's giveaway, we are giving away a hat. Who's gonna pick one?
Guess what color it's gonna be?
Red. We're giving away this red Odin hat today. Go down there in the comments, and today we're gonna comment hashtag Nanukkah red hat. I guess, super creative over here. And see you tomorrow.
Catch you on the flip side. Not us together as me and Flip did it.
Sorry,
but,
fuck. Bye. I'm gone.
Connected.